Even with our most powerful supercomputers, giant space telescopes, and all the breakthroughs of modern science, there are still some mysteries out there that have no answers. I'm not talking about myths or campfire stories. I'm talking about real, measurable phenomena backed by solid evidence. Today, we're going to explore 5 incredible mysteries that science still cannot explain. First up, the WOW signal. Picture this, it's 1977, and astronomers are listening to the stars with a giant radio telescope. Suddenly, they detect a powerful, narrowband radio signal coming from deep space. It lasts for exactly 72 seconds. The signal was so unique, so unlike anything they'd ever heard from natural sources, that the scientists monitoring the data simply circled it and wrote one word: wow. The frequency and intensity of the signal looked exactly like what scientists would expect if an intelligent civilization was trying to communicate with us. But here's the real mystery: it never appeared again. For decades, we've pointed our telescopes back to that same patch of sky, listening, waiting, but there's been nothing but silence. We still have no idea who or what sent that incredible signal. Next, let's talk about dark matter. When we look at galaxies spinning in space, there's a huge problem. They're spinning way too fast. Based on all the stars, gas, and dust we can see, the laws of physics say these galaxies should be flying apart, flinging stars into the cosmic void. But they don't. They hold together perfectly. So, what's keeping them intact? Scientists believe there's an invisible substance providing the extra gravity needed. They call it dark matter. We can measure its gravitational pull and see its effects on light bending around galaxies, so we know it's real. But we've never seen it directly, never detected a single particle of it. It doesn't emit or reflect any light. This invisible stuff might make up over 85% of all the matter in the entire universe, and we have absolutely no idea what it is. Now for a mystery that's a little closer to home: the placebo effect. Imagine you're in a clinical trial for a new pain medication. You're given a pill, and soon after, your pain starts to fade. You feel better, you feel relief, but then you find out the pill you took was just a sugar pill. It had no active ingredients, no medicine at all. This is the placebo effect, and it's one of the strangest puzzles in medicine. Doctors can prove it exists with brain scans showing real, physical changes in the body and a measurable reduction in pain. But science still can't fully explain how your belief, your expectation of getting better, can actually trigger physical healing. It raises a mind-bending question: is our mind somehow more powerful than our medicine? Let's head back out to space for our 4th mystery: the Great Attractor. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, isn't just sitting still. We, along with thousands of other nearby galaxies, are hurtling through space at an incredible speed over 2 million kilometers per hour. But we aren't just drifting randomly. Something massive, something with an immense gravitational pull, is pulling all of us toward it. Scientists have named this mysterious destination the Great Attractor. We can measure its incredible gravitational force and see its influence on the motion of entire galaxy clusters. But here's the catch: we can't see what it is. It's hidden behind the dense dust and stars of our own galaxy's plane, a region called the zone of avoidance. We know it's there, a cosmic giant pulling us in, but its true nature remains one of the biggest secrets of the cosmos. Finally, we have perhaps the weirdest mystery of all: quantum entanglement. In the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, two particles can become linked or entangled. When this happens, they form a single system, no matter how far apart they are. You could separate them by a few meters or by billions of light years. The spooky part is, if you measure a property of one particle, like its spin, you instantly know the spin of the other. It's as if they are communicating faster than the speed of light. Albert Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance because it seemed to violate the laws of physics as he knew them. Yet, experiment after experiment has proven that it's real. It happens. But science still has no explanation for how these particles remain connected across vast distances. These are just a few of the puzzles that remind us that the universe is far bigger, stranger, and more mysterious than we can possibly imagine. Which one of these mysteries blew your mind the most? Let us know down in the comments. And if you love exploring the unexplained, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.